Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we are going to be dropping stuff on tinfoil for the fun of it. Okay?
To see how strong it is.
To see how strong it is. Alright, I'm like, start the dropping processes.
Poor Corey, is this going to hurt you?
Ow!
That's my mum and brother.
Ow!
Oh, it's harder than anything bigger.
How about a mint?
So we get to break it.
Oh,
Wait. I need some spare hands.
what do you need hands for?
Because it's not going
Liam,
on.
I need a small gear.
Yeah, go
Liam,
on,
I need a small gear. Liam,
Oh man!
a small gear.
Alright, let's go guys. Look at my tinfoil hat. I made it. No tinfoil goes to
Can I
waste.
go?
She's gonna run through it. This is gonna be
Now,
epic.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, I think something went a bit wrong.
Do people want to try?
He's trying to be a bit
again,
social.
Mum.
He's trying to escape
Try
from
it
the
again.
reality. Look, that's why I need my
Hold
tinfoil
it,
hat to
hold
stop
it.
the rays from going into my brain.
Ready?
Alright,
I'm
anyway.
going again. 3,
He's going again.
2. Can you hold it a bit lower? Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
She went straight through that tinfoil, guys. More tinfoil to protect me. Alright, guys, this is two layers now. Alright, I'm blinded in one eye, but let's go.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Way! She's got.
2, 1.
Hey, she's joking.
Hold it a bit lower. Ready?
Look
3,
at that.
2. Yeah.
Oh,
What do you do?
sorry, I didn't quite. Alright, guys. Where's my tinfoil hat?
No.
I need my tinfoil hat there. Right, we need to pull it tight. Alright, let me try and run through it now, guys.
Okay. I'll hold it.
Corey can do for me, do first. Oh gosh.
What about 4? Let's do 4 now.
We are wasting all this precious metal. Hopefully we can recycle it so it can be reused.
You can put it into hat.
Yeah, into hats.
Pull it. No, lift it.
Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, go.
No, she can't do
No,
that.
Hold on. No, you can't do that. You need to hold it tight. I want to try
Alright, let's see if camera can get.
So to conclude, how many layers did you get through, Ethan?
5.
How many, Emily?
No, 4.
Oh, wow. And we figured out a book can break a sheet of tinfoil.
2 bolts.
2 books had to break 1 sheet. So do we think, in conclusion, is tinfoil strong or weak?
Strong. Oh, wait.
It's pretty strong to be fair.
You know,
I think
it's pretty strong.
Because it's aluminium. Ow! Aluminium is like one of the strongest things ever, you know that, eh?
Strong metal, isn't it, Corey?
Yeah, it's that's why
Maggie,
it costs so much.
what do you think? And we've got Dad cleaning.
She's like, whoa.
Until next time, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a comment, and see if you can break this record with tinfoil. Do you reckon they can beat you, Ethan?
Easy.
Easy.
How many do you reckon they'll get?
10.
Well, it depends how big they are, you know? But if they're like strong, then they might be able to get like 20, 30, 40, maybe even 70, you know what I mean?
They'd be really strong to do that, eh?
Yeah.
Do you think you could punch a piece of tinfoil in
Oh
half?
yeah, let's quickly try that.
Everyone.